Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Prof. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a review of the Switch Easy CoverBuddy World's First All Apple Keyboard Folio Compatible iPad Pro case. And I have the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, the 2020 version. And I just wanted to show you guys exactly how the CoverBuddy comes and how it looks. And here is just an unboxing of it. So I'm pulling on the black tab and it just pops open and there you have it. This is what the cover looks like. And I got the all black one. I think it comes in gray as well, and I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for it down below if you are interested in it. And I'm just showing you here basically how it looks. This is the inside cover, and it has an area where you could put your Apple Pencil. And it comes with this, I guess, to protect it. I have to say, one of the cons is that this thing is pretty flimsy. I wasn't expecting that, but I think it just does its job. Here I'm showing the cutouts, and I'm basically using it to protect the back surface of my iPad to prevent it from getting scratched. So this is the other cover, and I'm just going to toss that out. Gives you the instructions, but it's really simple to just put it on the iPad. So here it is. I'm just kind of giving you guys a view of it, and I'm gonna get my iPad. I do have the Magic Keyboard, and it is compatible with the Magic Keyboard, which is something that I was very much interested in. And I have the Apple Pencil, which of course I kept getting lost. So I really needed something that could hold it secure, and this does do that. So I'm really excited about that. And here we go. I'm just gonna slide it on, and it does slide on fairly easily. You just click it on and there you have it. And so I really like this because sometimes I just want to use my iPad and my pencil and I didn't want to get the back scratched. So I really do like this. And I just want to show you here how the Apple Pencil does not come out. It is in there really nice and tight. And all you have to do is push on the back and it just pops it out really easily. So that's nice. And here it is. I'm going to attach it to my Magic Keyboard so that you can take a look at that. And it just snaps on, guys. I love it. And it's not going anywhere. So that's really helpful. I do like that. So now I can easily transition and take my iPad off and write on any surface with it and not worry about the back getting scratched, which I really do like. And so here I'm just kind of showing you how it looks. And some people were concerned that there was a little bit of an opening. Mine, I did not find that to be an issue. Like I said, I'll leave the exact link of where I purchased mine down in the description box if you want to check it out, if you have the exact same iPad. I actually would give this a thumbs up. I'm going to show you how it attaches to the different USBC adapters. That way you can kind of get an idea. Some people had issues where they were saying that the cutout was too small. I did not find that to be the case. And this is my Bassius adapter that I utilize. And so it clicks right in and it is not coming out unless I pull it out. So you can see I had to yank it out. And then I also have the charger that the Apple iPad came with. And I'm going to plug it in. That way you guys can see as well that it basically is in there and you can continue to charge your iPad without any issues. And again, you can see I'm tugging on it for it to come out. So I thought the cutout was, just right, and I had no issues with that. And like I said, it closes very nicely, and I'm actually really glad that I splurged a little bit and got it because now I can use it, on a tabletop and not have to worry about my iPad getting scratched or the corners getting dented. So I'm really happy with the purchase, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because there will be more videos to come. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Ciao.